All right, this is a video to show you how to download work from the Google Classroom. Um, in your Drive, you will always automatically have a Google Classroom folder once you join a Google Classroom. So it is titled Classroom, and that is where. And then if you have more than one class, you will have a different folder for each class. I'm looking for the Intro to Small Business class. There it is. And inside here are all of the documents that I have from that class. What you will have in that folder is every assignment that the teacher gives you, but you will not have access to the slideshows or any other documents that are not assignments. So if you want access to those, you have to download those individually. And how you do that is you go into your classroom. Well, here it is actually here. And you have to do each one individually. So you'll go into your classwork and you'll go into each document that you want to have your own copy of. So for example, if I want to have a copy of my business next steps, I will open that up. And once the document is opened, I will go over to File, click on File, and I will make a copy. When I make a copy, it allows me to save it as copy of, or you can get rid of copy of if you don't want that. And then you're going to choose which folder it goes in. You click on there and it's going to show you, you want to click out of this and you want to go to My Drive. And then inside My Drive, you want to find your classroom folder. And then inside your classroom folder, you want to find the particular class if you have more than one class. So I would choose this one. And then you select it and you click OK, and it will move a copy of that into that folder. Same thing with the slideshows. So if I go into any of these areas and I click on, let's do this one. Okay, and I click on a slideshow. Again, I'm going to go into File. I'm going to go make a copy. Entire presentation. You can get rid of copy of if you want. And then you're going to go with the back arrow to get to your My Drive. And then you're going to choose the folder where you want it to go, perhaps Classroom, for example. You can go to the right arrow so you can choose the class you have, select it, and click OK, and it will put a copy in there for you. And that is the only way to get copies of the documents and slides from the Google Classroom into your own folder. But again, remember, all of the assignments automatically go into your own folder. All right, that's it. Hope this helps.